here we go, guys. So we are on day, I believe day 37. We have been recording almost every other day throughout the past 2 months. I think we are in second month of our channel. So let's check a Q view of my channel. You go ahead, subscribe and support me on this journey. I believe 2 years from now will be hell of another history. So on 2 subscribers, 62 videos so far, but regarding the a daily trading journey on demo account, we are on day 37 today. So if you remember, guys, we have put an order I think 4 days back. Today we are recording on Tuesday. So this trade opened, I think I believe let's check on the history. Yeah, this trade is open on I think 3rd of June, so almost 5 days back. So we are still, the trade is still ongoing on actually 9th of June ongoing. We are already in profit. We put our position, long position, exactly at this point and went a bit down. Still we were safe. So I put my stop loss just below the most prominent swing low here, and if I have made my stop loss a bit higher, I would have been stopped out at these candles, but we are safe. Stop loss is already in safe. We risked around $1,000, and our tip is as well around $1,000. So we are already in profit, $433. So I think I wanna close this trade in a profit and would be interested in taking another position. So let's check on our trading view. This was a trade we put, same trade I just showed you here on MetaTrader 5. So this is a trade. I put my stop loss first. My first impression of exact point to put my stop loss was just below this swing low. That means just at this point. If that was so, I would have been stopped out by these moves. So rather, I made my stop loss below this swing low. So let's just close this trade. So by the end of this analysis, I will close this trade and take another potential position. So let's check a few quick view of 4-hour time frame of pound versus USD. This is the 4-hour time frame. So we have a massive fair value gap here. Look how it is reacting off this fair value gap. So went up all the way to here, and went down as well. So this level almost at the edge of the fair value gap, which opened here and went even up, but got shorter, rejected here and went down, hit off by the edge of this fair value gap and went up. This seems like the market is going on and off on this level. So the reason I was interested in taking a long position was so the price came all the way down here and went up. So it got back here, didn't cross past this fair value gap created by 4-hour time frame, and went up and down just when I thought the market would break out of this fair value gap, these candles. Rather, it went up. So exactly at this point, I got interested in taking a long position because it is still rejecting of the market is got rejected again and again this fair value gap. So for a while, I got interested in taking a long position while making my TP at this resistance zone, but it seems like it is rejected here. So the chances that this market will go down is very high likely. So I may want to close this trade in profit. So let's just close this one in profit of around $430. And yeah, so we'll check our history. Yeah, 450 hour, $450. So we are up $1,000. Currently we are on $5,750 in profit. So this trade we put open trade was source 3864. Yeah, source 3864. We are right. So this trade we closed it, done. So on the next video we'll be taking another potential position. This will wrap up my today's video. We are up on $1,000, up $1,000. I feel like I'm ready to take this trading live. But let me just finish this journey. We are currently on day 37, so we are almost left with I think 23 days. So we are left with 23 days. So that will give me time to educate myself and share my journey on this platform as well. So go ahead and subscribe my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.